Hi angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of 2025. We are here, yay! She has arrived. And today's video, I'm so excited. I made it onto a PR list that I have been hoping to get on for a very long time, actually a decade. The PR list that I made it on was Morphe, and I'm so excited. This is their collection, Tempt or Be Tempted. Here's their gorgeous model for the Forbidden collection. And then on the back, it's got some of the items for the collection as well. Oh, I am so excited. So it looks like we have a lot of different lip glosses going on, and then 2 different eyeshadow palettes, as well as a lip pencil. Oral Flirtation is the name. I think we should break into all the lip glosses first, and then we'll go into the eyeshadow palettes. This first one is going to be a lip stain in the shade Grape Kisser. Adorable. I really like that lip stains are coming back into style because sometimes trying to keep up with a lipstick all day can be very exhausting. So I like having a good old lip stain. So this is a Bi-Phase lip oil, and it is in the shade Pure Passion. This is a passion fruit scent. All right, let's give her a go. Yeah, she's going to be nice and clear with some shimmer in there. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh. The look today is Tempt or Be Tempted, and I like to think that I'm a little temptress, so I'm thinking like a vampire fairy vibe. I really like the glitter in this. It has a lot of little like micro glitter pieces in it, and it's definitely giving fairy vibes for me. Our next sweet angel is Juicy Details. This one is in a passion fruit scent, and this one is also a Bi-Phase lip oil. Interesting. Gives lips a sensual, multi-dimensional finish with the sheer Bi-Phase passion fruit scented lip oil infused with duo layering pearls, jojoba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. Lust Potion leaves lips feeling magically glossed, moisturized, and conditioned. And I think this one's supposed to have like a little bit of an orange tint. It does smell really nice though. Our next angel is Deep Desire. This one is also a passion fruit scent. They are loving passion fruit right now. This one's pretty. Love the little packaging. So cute. Deep Desire is the name of this one. And it's like, it's got some purple black shade at the top, and then it is like gradient down to like a white. It does have like a slight gray hue to it. This one is going to be in Thirst Trap, love that name, and it has light sea green little flakes in it as well. Let's give this puppy a little swatchy poo. And that one's nice too. It does have like a slight blue hint to it. These are gonna be really nice. I see that they wanted them to be more of like probably a lip topper over the lip stain. This one is in the shade Sweet Freak, and it looks like cotton candy. It's like pink and purple, really beautiful. I love the micro chrome looks lately, or is that what they called it? Multi-dimensional. I do like that. The glitter does make it look multi-dimensional. Camera so badly wants to focus on my face. Let's do some lip stains. So there was 3 total lip stains in the whole collection. This next lip stain is in Melon Nectar. Cute, looks like a little pill bottle. Melon Nectar has a melon scent to it. And then this one looks like a really beautiful orange. Oh my gosh, wow, that is very vibrant. Yeah, oh, I love that. Very wild, and she's going to have a strawberry scent. This one is cute, so she looks like she's going to be like a fuchsia. Yeah, and then I have a spot perfectly right next to that purple, so let's give her a bang. Oh, so gorgeous. I love this one. I feel like I would mix this one and then that orange one together, but even the one that I'm wearing now with like, you could do a gradient where you did maybe this one in the middle and then the purple on the outside for more of like an ombre effect. but those look really pretty. I'm excited to create a look today with these. Comment down below what shades that you like the best and which ones that you would layer on top of the lip stain too. So this is a lip oil keychain. Oh, adorable. So cute. I'm going to put this on my keychain like effective immediately. I love little niche things like this where, I don't know, because like, I don't know if you can see it, it says Morphe on it. I'm so grateful, and I'm so grateful for you guys to be here. Continuing on with these lip liners, this one is going to be in Passionate Plum. Like, I love when the pencil glides on so smoothly. I feel like you know it's going to glide so effortlessly in the waterline. Yes, we need that. Next shade is in Fresh Fig. This one kind of looks like a burnt orange shade or like terracotta. The next shade is going to be in Lush Lychee. I really love this shade right here because I do like a dark lip liner to give my lips a little bit more of a dimension and more of a shape to them because they are rather petite like me. For our grand finale, we have two beautiful palettes. Let's start with the lefty, this Pulp Fantasy. Morphe was one of the first ever brands that I started to use. It was Morphe, Urban Decay, ColourPop, and then probably some like ones that I found at Walmart, like Max Factor was definitely one that I had. I remember having like a little tiny Max Factor palette that had like little tiny pans in it. And here we are now. It's so awesome. The growth, mwah. Never stop believing in yourself, all right? Never stop, never stop. I am mesmerized by this certain color right here. The way they did that design in that pan, oh my gosh. And the shade, oh, I'm so excited. So let's give these guys a little swatch. Dipping into the first shade, this one is going to be in Never Vanilla. I like that. I like when you can put down a very light shade and it already has a lot of pigment to it. Shimmer, and it is in the shade Taboo. That's really pretty. It's definitely going to be like a lovely highlighter shade. If you want to use that on your cheek, you can use it on your cheek, or you can use it to create like a nice little halo eye. Next shade is going to be in Hungry Eyes, and she is also a nice little shimmer shade. And she has more of a gold flake to her. This kind of gives me like soft, elegant Hollywood vibe. Craving More. Oof, and she is really pigmented. That was actually a very creamy little swatch. Snakebite is going to be that little middle shade. It is their Molten Metal eyeshadow. Our next shadow is going to be in the shade Satisfaction. And this one's going to be more of a dark brown shade. These two are rather similar in their shades. This one is just like a hair darker. Next shadow is going to be in Safe Word, and this looks like a lovely little rose gold shimmer. I love a rose gold moment. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Next shadow is going to be a Periwinkle shade, and she is a nice little shimmer, looking gorgeous as well. Oof, I love that shade. And last but not least, our last shade is going to be this pretty dark blue shade that has a lovely shimmer to it. It kind of reminds me of like the night sky. Here are the swatches from the first palette, Feed Your Fantasy. This next palette is going to be in Forbidden Honey. Miss Little Forbidden Honey herself. Haha. Forbidden Honey, oh my gosh. That molten eyeshadow in the middle, another gorgeous one. I'm just so mesmerized by that molten shade. Skin Contact, and it has a very light blush shade, a second swatch over the top of that puppy. Next shade is going to be Nectar. This one has a nice little peachy undertone to it. Yeah. Next shade is going to be in Sweet Sting. And this one is more of a mauve shade. It's like a hair darker than this one. Shimmer, and it is in the shade Devour. Ooh, 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 and she is bright. Beautiful molten shade, and this is going to be in the shade Honey Blossom. Oh my goodness, she is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with that shade. I love it. Entwined. This is a tan shade with some gold flakes in it. Second layer of Too Tempting. Yeah, that's really pretty. Definitely a blush shade that I would use. I might even use it as a blush for this look too. Next shade is called Deeper. Yeah. Yeah, very pigmented. Yeah. Dark Paradise. Lovely. I can't get over that molten shade right here in the middle. So pretty. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our quick little unboxing. Hopefully this video isn't too long. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.